Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to run Linux on Windows without a virtual machine or dual boot. First of all, go to Search and type Terminal and open it. Then type WSL-install. A window will pop up. Click on Yes. Then, in Terminal, you'll see it is downloading Windows Subsystem for Linux. This will take about a minute. And now it will be installed, as you're seeing here. After that, it will download Ubuntu, which is the default Linux distribution. This will take a few minutes. When it finishes, it will ask you for a username. You can leave it as is, or choose anything you like. For this tutorial, we'll use tour as the username. Then you have to put a password. Type your password carefully. It will not appear in the terminal as you're typing, but don't worry. It's registering your keystrokes. And that's it. It is installed. Let's check the version we have. It's Ubuntu 24. And just like that, Ubuntu is installed on Windows, and you can run all commands and use Linux without a virtual machine or dual boot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.